Before the game start, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors. Kalos PH, Marquis, Pratelo, Zero Black, Zartis, at Roxy Lugar. Once again, maraming salamat po.
Coach, tawag ko kayo. Baliktad.
Palit bench po tayo, palit bench. Sorry.
Wait. Tama, okay na. Dito pala may problema.
Sorry. Okay na daw po pala. Wag!
May po, gilid na. Pagilid ko lang po. Thank you po.
Bola ng arm score. Oliverio to number 10. Oliverio, bring the ball. Steal by Castillo. Yuga bringing down the ball. Yuga to Raimundo. No good. Rebound Santos. Oliverio to 10. No good. Yuga rebound. Yuga to Raimundo. Steal by Navarro. Navarro bringing down the ball. Navarro, fake, block by Yuga, rebound Castillo to Raimundo. Raimundo, 2 points. Oliverio dribbling the ball. Oliverio screen, Navarro, pass to Santos. Santos taking the three. Santos three. Raimundo to Saicon. Saicon no good. Oliverio to Navarro. Navarro to Oliverio again. Number 10. No good rebound. Arroyo. Raimundo to Sengdun. Back to Raimundo. To Arroyo to Castillo. Castillo, three. Santos to Oliverio. Oliverio to number 10. Number 10 to Tutan. Jordan, 2 points. Raimundo to Yuga, to Saicon. Saicon taking the three. Saicon three. Official score 8-5. Lamang ng tatlo ang Black Knights. Oliverio to Jetan. Jetan Fula. Jetan 2 points. By Arkin Johnson. Raimundo to Castillo. Back to Raimundo. Raimundo taking the three. No good. Rebound Jetan. Jetan the number 10. Number 10 pass to Oliverio. Oliverio no good. Yuga. Penetrating the basket. No good. Rebound Oliverio. Oliverio 2 points. Time out. Black Knights. to the ball game. Raimundo to Saigon. Saigon now pass to Yuga. Back to Saigon to Raimundo. Raimundo jump shot, no good. Rebound, Jetan. Jetan finding Santos. Santos bringing down the ball. Santos umikot. Santos, no good rebound, Yuga. Yuga out of the pass to Raimundo. Raimundo, no good. Rebound, Saigon. Saigon, 2 points. Santos to Jetan. Jetan jump shot, no good. Rebound, Arroyo. Arroyo bringing down the ball. Pass to Castillo. Back to Arroyo. To Yuga. Yuga hitting the board. Yuga 2 points. Navarro. No teammates to pound. Pass to Olimberio. Olimberio to Jetan, turnover to Raimundo, pass to Saigon. Saigon, 2 points. Santos penetrating. Santos, 2 points. Change 5. Pasok, second unit.
Yan.
Culpa to Hostelero, back to Culpa. Culpa to Almasan. Almasan, binalik kay Culpa. Pass to Saludes, Saludes taking the three. Saludes three off the bench. Official score 17-11 lamang ang Black Knights. Jetan, 2 points. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa to Hostelero. Hostelero, 2 points. Olimberio. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Santos. Santos taking the 3. No good. Rebound. Raimundo. Pass to Almasan. Almasan to Culpa. To Hostelero. Steal by Olimberio. Olimberio to Santos. Santos to Falcon. Jetan, 2 points. Culpa to Hostelero, what a find. But Hostelero no good. Olimberio to Santos. Santos penetrating. Santos, 2 points. Official score 19-17. Dalawa na lang alamang ng Black Knights. Culpa taking the ball. Culpa straight. Almasan. To Raimundo. Time to shoot. Steve Santos. Santos on the loose. Santos, 2 points. Culpa to Saludes. Steve number 29. Pass to Santos again. Patience sabi ni Santos. Pass to Jetan. Jetan jump shot. Jetan, 2 points. Jetan's a problem to Black Knights. Almasan taking the 3. Almasan no good. Rebound Raimundo. Back Raimundo. Raimundo, 2 points. Hostelero, pass to Saludes. Saludes on the loose. Saludes, 2 points. Oliveira to Santos. Santos. Fake. Santos getting the ball. Santos, no good. Rebound. Hindi na rebound. Oh, same ball, same ball. Last touch was Caldero. 14 seconds with the shot clock. Santos to Falcon. Falcon, jump shot, no good. Rebound Jetan. Back to Olimberio. Olimberio to Jetan. Kick out to Santos. Fake. Back to Jetan. Jetan, no good. Rebound was Caldero. Turnover. Juan Jetan. Pass to Santos. Santos stay in the game. No good. Rebound Saludes. Saludes to Ulpa. Ulpa on the loose. Ulpa. Right foot. No good. Rebound Almasan. Back to Ulpa. Ulpa. Lower. No good. Rebound again by Ulpa. Ulpa. No good again. Rebound by Bon. Number 99 to Santos. 55 seconds. Santos. Kick out to Jetan. To Santos. Corner no good. Rebound Raimundo. Raimundo to Castellero. Castellero ang laki. 2 points. Official score 25-21. Lamang pa din ang Black Knights. 30 seconds to shoot. Olimberio 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Silver Santos. Santos on the loose. Traveling back. End of the first quarter. Official score 25-23. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Black Knights. Back to the ball game. Black Knight ball. Raimundo the point guard. Raimundo pass to Saicon. Saicon to Yuga. Yuga dribbling. Back to Saicon. 10 seconds to shoot. Raimundo to Castillo. Castillo wide open. Castillo na good rebound Yuga. Yuga 2 points. Navarro to Jetan. Jetan floater. Easy 2 points. Raimundo to Yuga. Yuga taking the 3. Yuga to 3. Navarro. Falcon steal. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 29. Steal. Turnover. Raimundo. 2 points. Tinampal pa ang board. Number 10 to Navarro. 14 to shoot. Navarro to Jetan. 10 to shoot. 29 to number 10. Number 10 to points. Raimundo to Saicon taking the 3. Saicon to 3. Saicon has hot hands. Navarro. Foul. Ang galing mapasabi. Foul number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw basket, no good for Navarro. Second free throw basket is no good. Arroyo, to Raimundo, Saicon bomb, Saicon ka points! Sengun ng Adelina. Chetan, drop shot, no good. Rebound Arroyo. Arroyo, pass to Raimundo. Raimundo, turnover. Naipasa sa kalaban. Chetan, pass to number 22. 2 points. Luka penetrating. Luka, 2 points. Time out. Arm score. Official score, 39-29. 10 ang lamang ng Black Knights. Ang ganda ng nilalaro ni Saicon ngayong gabi. Coming off the bench. Back to the ball game. Navarro. Navarro taking the three wide open. Navarro through. Raimundo. Raimundo. Pass to Saicon. Saicon taking the three again. No good. Official score 39-32. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. Morales, back to Navarro. Morales speed. Navarro, pass to number 39-29. 2 points. Raimundo. Penetrating. Raimundo, to the corner, no good, 29. Jetan, pass to Navarro. Navarro, bringing down the ball. Navarro, pass to number 29, no good. Rebound Jetan, 2 points. Second chance opportunity. Good. Raimundo. To Arroyo. Arroyo to Castillo. Castillo taking the three, no good. Rebound Jetan. Jetan to Navarro. Yeah, point right. Navarro to Jetan. Jetan to Navarro, wide open pace. Wow. Foul number 4. First personal foul. Third team foul. Jetan. Jetan ang good rebound ni Arroyo. Arroyo to Yuga. Yuga, oh. Yuga to Wines. Pass to Navarro. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Navarro to number 10. Morales back to Navarro. Wide open. Navarro. 2 points. Change 5. Correction. Navarro 3 points. T-shirt score 41-39 in favor pa din ng Adelina Black Knights. Uy pa, sa Saludes. Saludes I need the 3. Saludes 3. For team to shoot, Santos taking the 3. Santos no good. Rebound Posteliero. Posteliero on the loose. Posteliero. Turnover. Arm score 4. Oliverio to Jetan. 14 to shoot. Oliverio back to Jetan. Jetan with the jump shot. Jetan 2 points. Uy pa. Pass to Almazan. Almazan 19. Almazan jump shot. Almazan no good. Rebound Santos to Oliverio. Oliverio. Dribbling the ball. Oliverio penetrating. Oliverio to Jetan. Jetan 2 points. Pass to Raimundo. Bump. Raimundo. No good rebound Jetan. Steve Saludes. Saludes sa Upa. Upa. No good. I'm so good. Our official score 44-43. Isa lang po ang lamang ng Black Knights. Excuse me po sa arm score. Pagka-time out, lapit po dito. Rebound Saludes. To Acelero, to Culpa. Culpa. Back to Acelero. Foul. Number 34. Time out, arm score. Number 34, first personal foul. First team foul. Both teams, pagka-time out, lapit ko kayo dito sa committee. Thank you so much. Back to the ball game. Two free throws for Australia. First free throw basket is no good. Second free throw basket good. Karabiling ang hatol ni Rep. Punta, Posteliero, Posteliero, bomb, Posteliero, 2 points with the foul. Foul number 10. First personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Bonus people no good. Power of the lead. Culpa. Culpa to Almazan. Almazan bakas to Raimundo. Raimundo. Back to Almazan. To Saludes. Get out. Saludes. Saludes. Official score 15-46 in favor pa din ng Black Knights. Jetta, no good. Australiano on the loose. Australiano penetrating. Australiano turn over again. Blue ball, unstable. Still not.
Seconds up. Wala reset.
Gusto Jetan. Jetan. No good. 3-1 Raimundo. Australiano playing on the ball. Australiano penetrating. Australiano 2 points. Oliverio to Jetan. Ang taas ng pasa. 30 seconds. Australiano keeping the ball. Australiano with the spin, no good. Santos got the ball. 20 seconds to Navarro. Navarro, no good. 3-1 Jetas, chance opportunities, good. 15 seconds. Good pass to Australiano, no good. Navarro taking the shot. Navarro, no good. 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Santos to Navarro. Navarro, no good. And
Tapos
at the first half,
lagot.
back to the ball game. Start na tayo ng second half. Armstrong ball. Oliverio to number 10. Back to Oliverio. Kick pass to Upa. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Data to Oliverio. Oliverio penetrating. Block by Yuta. But by foul. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw basket is good for Oliverio. Second free throw basket is good. Ulpa, bring the ball. Sobrang bilis. Saludes. No good. Rebound Arroyo. Arroyo to Estelero. to Kulpa. Kulpa taking the 3. Kulpa 3. Official score 55-50. Umaakal mga Black Knights. Olimbero binababa ang bola. Pasok Alcon. Still by Kulpa. Tuwa ni Yuga. Yuga taking the 3. Wide open. Yuga 3. Steven Yuga. Posteriero. Foul number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. Oh, first free throw basket is no good. Second free throw basket is no good. 4. Jetan to Olimbero. Olimbero. Good to the Arroyo. Number 29. Down shot no good. Rebound. Olimbero. Olimbero again. Olimbero no good. Rebound Jetan. Jetan 2 points with a putback. Still. No. Posteriero remains. Hindi pala nakuha ang bola. Olimbero. Munares. Munares fighting for the ball. Still by Saludes. Saludes to Yuga. Yuga penetrating. Yuga light mode. 2 points. Oliverio to Munares. Munares. Hindi pa Jetan. To number 29. Munares. No good. Rebound of Celero. Foul number 29. First personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Official score 64-52. Lamang ng 12 ng Black Knights. Panton to Jetan. Jetan jump shot. Jetan no good rebound. Same ball. Substitution. Almasan in. Posteriero out. Number 29, pass to number 22. Number 22 points. Kulpa to Almasan. Almasan. Giving the ball. Almasan taking the 2-point shot. Almasan 2 points. Timer called by Armscore. Official score 66-54 in favor pa din ng Black Knights. Remaining time 6 minutes and 48 seconds.
Parehas ng standing yung black. First one pala ito ng 1. Sa kanila nila. Sa ocean. Ngayon hindi ko na...
Back to the ball game. Olimbero to Jetan. Jetan to Santos. Santos to Navarro. Navarro to number 29. Number 29, then 13. Pass to Jetan, turn over to number 2. Black ball. Kulpa. Bringing down the ball. Kulpa to Yuga. Yuga wide open. No good. Rebound Saludes. Saludes. 10 seconds to shoot. Saludes taking the three. No good. Rebound by Arroyo. Yuga. Back to Saludes. 2 points. Jetan getting the ball. Jetan to Santos. Santos. 2 points with the foul. Foul number 21. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ito ginamit. Pero gumagana yun. Piniskili yung mga run.
Bonus free throw is good for Santos. Official score 68-57. Saludes. Saludes 2 points with the foul. Foul number 24, first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw is good for Saludes. Olimpero Bakugetan. Olimpero to number 29. Still by Saludes. Turnover, pass to Santos. Santos penetrating foul number 21. Foul number 21, second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Cyclone in, Yuga out. First free throw is no good. Second free throw no good. Rebound Australiano. Australiano bringing down the ball. Australiano bomb. Offensive foul. Masyadong nanggigil. Number 12, first personal foul. Navarro to Santos. Santos. Penetrating. Rebound number 29. Number 29. No good. Rebound again. Third chance opportunity is good. 2 points by number 29. Kulpa bringing on the ball. Kulpa. Black mode on. No good. Rebound number 4. Oliverio. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Good pass to Saludes. Saludes no good. Rebound Jetan. Jetan to Santos. Santos to number 29. Steal by Saicon. Saicon to Costellero wide open. Costellero with a basic shot, 2 points. What a steal by Sengun. Official score 73-59. Oliverio to Jetan. Jetan, light moves, good 2 points. Costellero to Culpa. Culpa to Costellero. 14 to shoot. Costellero to Almasan. 10 to shoot. Costellero taking the 3. Costellero no good. Nakita ni Ref ang foul. Pushing foul. Number 34, second personal foul. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Culpa. Steal by Oliverio. 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 Oliverio passes Jetan. Jetan 2 points. 73-63. 10 ang lamang ng Black Knights. Almasan to Saludes. Saludes taking the 3. Saludes no good. Rebound number 29 to Jetan. Jetan to Oliverio. Oliverio to Santos. Back to Oliverio. 14 to shoot. Santos wide open. No good. Rebound Saludes. Saludes to Culpa. Culpa spin move. Pass to Almasan. Almasan to timeout, arm score. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng arm score. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng ARMS score. Official score 75-63 in favor pa din ng Black Knights. Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Back to the ball game. Chetan dos Santos. Santos penetrating through the lock of Ciliero. Chetan with a second chance opportunity is good. Chetan to the rescue. Full pass to Ciliero. To Sengun. No good. Rebound Chetan. Chetan. Santos wide open. Santos to point. Yuga to Castillo. Castillo to Costeliero. Costeliero. Traveling violation. Substitution. Raimundo in. Pulpa out. Substitution. Primero, to Santos to Chetan. Chetan no good rebound Castillo. Castillo to Saicon. Turnover. Saicon is out of focus. Number 23, back in. Primero to Chetan. Chetan to Santos. 13 to shoot, Chetan with the play for the group. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Olivero to Santos, saving that ray. No good, short. Costeliero to Saicon. Saicon to points. Santos to Navarro. Navarro to Chetan. Chetan no good, rebound Costeliero. Costeliero to Yuga. Yuga back to Costeliero. Costeliero to points. Santos to Navarro. Navarro pump. Navarro no good, rebound Saicon. Raimundo. Traveling violation. Twenty-five seconds.
Wala mo dribble to. Dribble na yan.
13 to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds. Foul. Number. Oh. Traveling violation. Nicole Doserep.
Hoy, Saicon, takin.
Yuga taking the three. No good. End of the third quarter. We are heading to fourth quarter. Last quarter.
Pero, malapit na laban.
Official score 79-67. Still, lamang pa rin ang Adelina Black Knights.
May isang sa kanila. Actually, tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Nakita mo din.
Back to the ball game. Culpa to Raimundo. Back to Culpa. Culpa sa Saludes. Saludes penetrating. Saludes no good. Saludes, 2 points. Nagpagulo sa rebound. Getan to Olimberio. Back to Olimberio. Turnover by arm score. Black ball. Culpa to Hosteliero. Hosteliero giving the ball to Raimundo. Raimundo Rey. Jetan to number 10. Back to Jetan. Jetan to Oliverio. Oliverio. Turnover again. Bad pass by Oliverio. Hosteliero bringing on the ball. Penetrating. Hosteliero, 2 points.
Baba, ito.
King by Culpa. Culpa to Saludes. What a good pass. Saludes, 2 points. Oliverio to Monares. Monares. Securing the ball. Pass to Navarro. Navarro taking the 2 points. No good. Rebound Culpa. Culpa to Raimundo. Raimundo, 2 points. Steal by Saludes. Saludes, 2 points. Simple. Navarro taking down the ball. Navarro to Monares. Monares penetrating. Monares no good. Jetan with a put back no good. Hosteliero rebound. Hosteliero to Raimundo. Steal by Oliverio. Steal by Culpa. Culpa wide open lane. Hosteliero 2 points. Official score 92-67. Malaki na ang hinahabol ang arm score. Still again by Culpa. Raimundo, what a pass to Raimundo. 2 points. Time out. Arm score. Wala na po ngayong time out.
Go.
What a good win by Black Knights. Back to the ball game.
Pag-drop niya pa naman.
Monares, 2. Oliverio, back to Monares. Single.
Bawal na drop ha. Under 2 minutes pa.
Monares, Jetan out the loose. Jetan, lay 2 points.
Sana wala na, para atin ni County.
Culpa to Yuga. Yuga, lay 2 points. Monares to Monares. Monares to Jetan, and a pass. Still by Raimundo. Raimundo to Yuga. Yuga penetrating foul. Number 5. Foul number 34. Third personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. First free throw basket is no good. Second free throw basket is good. Oliverio to Jetan. Jetan to Santos. Santos. 2. Navarro. 2 points. Navarro. Almasan bringing down the ball. Almasan pa. Almasan pa. Hosteliero. Castellano, Raimundo taking the shot. No good, rebound, Jetan. Santos, wide open lane. Santos, 2 points. Castellero to Saludis, 14 to shoot. Castellero to Yuga. 10 to shoot. Yuga to Almasan. 5 to shoot. Raimundo to Loader. No good. Rebound, Jetan. Navarro. Stop. Foul number. Foul number.
Last foul.
Foul number 7. First personal foul. Second team pasok to Raimundo. Raimundo, jump shot, no good. Raimundo again. Raimundo, no good again. Santos, to Jetan. Jetan. Jetan, 2 points.
Ika nag-play post.
Saludos taking the three. Saludos, Ray.
Wala sa Angelo. Sumablay.
Olivero. Umares. Navarro taking the 2 points. Navarro, 2 points. Luga, pass break, steal by Olivero. Olivero to Santos. Santos taking the ball. Santos, no good rebound, Saludes. Saludes to Almasan. Almasan, 2 points. Time out. Olivero taking the ball. Olivero, steal by Jetan. Olivero, steal. Pass to Monares. Monares. Monares, Ray. Time out. Black Knight. Official score 104-81. In favor of Black Knights. Almasan to Castillo. Castillo to sa Icon. Back to Castillo. Castillo taking the 3. No good. Rebound, Yuga. Yuga, no good. Rebound, Jetan. Jetan, pass break to Santos. Santos to Olimberio. Olimberio, 2 points.
Nakaraan, di ko may tapat eh.
Almasan. Yuga taking the 3. Yuga no good. Rebound, Monares. Monares to Santos. Santos to Navarro. Navarro. Navarro, 2 points. Second, pass to Almasan. Almasan taking the shot. Almasan, hooray!
Kung pumasok,
Substitution.
kala ko bulag yun.
Raimundo in. Yuga out. Rivero. fighting. Olivero, 2 points. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Second penetrating, Cyclone 2 points. Olivero. 14 to shoot. Olivero to Morales. Morales no good, rebound, Castillo. Football.
Taekwondo, taekwondo.
Second back in. Raimundo, super jump shot, no good. Rebound, Santos. Santos, 2 points, no good. Last 1 minute. Almasan, Ray. Second back in. Olivero turn over again. Almasan getting blocked by Chetan.
Saigon, kaki tayo, Saigon.
Raimundo no good. Number 22 taking the three. No good. Rebound by Monares. Monares taking the three. No good. Rebound. Jetan. Jetan, 2 points. Official score 112-89. Second to Castillo. Almasan taking the shot. Almasan, hey!
Taekwondo, takin.
Morales! Oh, no good. 45 seconds. Santos to Morales, over. Remaining time, 30 seconds. Cyclone Blue! Ang ganda pag nakatakin, nakaka-dress.
Oy, takin mo yan.
15 seconds. Monares taking the shot. No good. Rebound by Juan. Jetan, susubok ng press. No good. Rebound Almasan. 3 seconds. Good point. No good. Our final score, 118-89. Black Knights saving the win. Nice game, everyone. Picture po tayo. I'm sorry, Black Knights.
Laban first down.
Dumiretso sa amin pagtapos sa club.